Okay, so here is how you make sure that you can share your slides. So you're going to go, actually, I'm just going to pull up a sample slide. That's mine, so you can see. Okay, so you'll click on share, and the way that you explained it to me is that you only saw a couple options. It's just a simple little tricky thing that you just have to click. So I'll show you how to do that. Might be a little slow. My internet is taking a while these days. Hope everything's going okay for you guys. Missed you all today. As you can tell, I've got iCarly going on in the back. My daughter is hanging out on the couch. So I'm watching her symptoms. Okay, it's still going. All right, I think we got it. All right, so down here where it says Get Link, you're just going to click Change. And then right here, you're going to see some options. You want to click on this little arrow. It'll say like Restricted, St. Charles, CUSD 303, or anyone with link. I usually just click anyone with a link. And then you want to make sure that, I'm going to click on that one more time. You want to make sure that over here you've selected viewer because it'll give as an option that they can comment or edit, and you don't really want that for the purposes of this. So just select viewer, and then you should be all good. So let me know if that helps you or if you need any more help, okay?